Hey, it's Garrett and Janet. Off the ship today in the Wheelie Wheelie. Of course, the ship is the Emerald Princess. Emerald Princess. And we actually are going to rent a car here in the Wheelie Wheelie. Hi.
Good morning. Thank
Wow,
you.
there's a crowd here. So I think that there's a shuttle stop here. Car rentals that way. See the sign? Sign's up. These people are waiting to move.
Car shuttles are to the right.
By the way, if you just want to walk to the beach, there's a beach quarter mile that way in front of a hotel. Nice white sand beach. Duke's in the hotel. Duke's on Sunday.
Duke's right on the beach. Just got to the budget rental.
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you. Fast break.
So that's our rental car, and it's in about 20 minutes from the airport. We're here at Waimea Falls, along with everybody else in a traffic jam. And got to drive off the road. Now, we've never been here to Waimea Falls, even though we've been to Kauai several times. Even stayed here for a time. Guy doing art. Ah, cool. Big light. So we're at the Waimea Canyon Lookout. Got cars parked along the road. We parked along the road. There is a parking lot here, but they want $10 and I don't think there were any spaces. So people are circling and circling there. And then some eventually come down here and some find a spot.
And then there's a $5 entry fee per person.
Yeah, so anyway.
All right.
So it's people in here.
Do something.
And the last time we were here was 35 years ago, 40 years ago. It was the 80s. Yeah, quiet. And a little harder. You can see it's got water. Come help the tourists. Going out.
You know that way.
Oh yeah.
All right. Nice talking to you too. So when are we going? We're going to North Carolina.
It's okay, you're on camera.